What's up, guys? We're now live. Um, yeah. Um, yeah, it's been a few days since I went live. I've been very busy with school. Yes, I actually do schoolwork, surprisingly. Um, yeah, so I had a midterm Wednesday, but now we're back on the live grind, I guess. Uploaded a YouTube video yesterday. Check it out if you haven't already. Um, yeah, so I guess the stuff that I worked on before was making this super cool auth flow. Oh yeah, and also light dark mode. Yes sir, yes sir. Um, but yeah, so today I'm gonna sort of overhaul this auth stuff, like basically how you connect to websites because it's kind of scuffed right now. Like one of my friends was trying ChatGPT yesterday and it didn't even work properly. Um, so yeah, that was kind of scuffed. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just fix all this. So I'm gonna have to redo a lot of the codes. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the JSON. So I'm gonna start with it's easy auth. I'll start with YouTube. Go to youtube.json. I'm gonna add a property called like my stream got cooked. Hello, hello. What? Okay. Sorry about that. I'm gonna say connect URL is just https://www.youtube.com. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna have to also go into let me escape this. Go into data extraction table and just make it so that hmm. So yeah, this is the logic for all the export stuff. I'm gonna have to add another thing to this already bloated ternary, but I'll worry about that later. I guess what I want to do first is okay. So we have all this. I want to add a button next. It's like connect. Platform results. Okay, that's good. Um, if I just what is this wait for current run to finish thing? No, no. If I go here, yeah, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Actually, another way to do it, now that I think about it, bro, what? Okay, but there's another home screen. I guess when you actually, I'll just do it right now. If I go here and then I delete some stuff. But yeah, if I go here and I go to Electron and I just delete some stuff, that's like, um, yeah, if I delete, I think it's local. I think it's local. Local or session or in, I don't even know, it's one of them. But yeah, I'm gonna just delete all three. Oh, obviously it's open. Let's just close that real quick. Okay, perfect. But if I go back here and I just restart this app, yeah, so you see this screen, but if I had like a connect to whatever, I don't know. I could do it that way too, but oh my light mode. I love how it just like sort of I don't know, it's a very nice transition. Yeah. I feel like it's one of those things you could play around with all day. Like another thing, something I like to play around with is if I go here and I go to MetaMask, it's a crypto wallet. That's the funny thing. If I go here And what I'm gonna do is, where's this thing? Yeah, this thing. I just go on Meta. I've never used MetaMask, but sometimes just play around with this. Yeah. But I feel like this is one of those things where I can just go like this all day. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh, y'all can't even see. Um, but yeah, that is pretty cool. Yeah, I just play around with this. Um, but yeah, we have to figure out a way to make it very easy to connect to accounts. So I'm gonna add a connect button next to this here. Oh wait, let me go back to data extraction table. Export. Okay, perfect. So I don't know why this tool. I should remove that. It's useless. Anyway, div and div button. I'm gonna call this connect. Yeah, just connect. Oh yeah, no. Actually, so the way I think I want to do this is have this little pop-up window. There's another app called Clay. It's like a personal CRM. Kind of cool. I don't really need it, but I'm just playing around with it. And that's actually how I was like, man, we got to overhaul auth because it's also an Electron app. Um, but I want to sort of have a pop-up where what I'll do is I'll send like, I'll make a new one that's like connect, connect, yeah, connect platform, sure. And we'll do, well, I'm just gonna stick to the default. That's youtube.com. Okay. And if I go back to main.ts, oops, IC main on connect platform. I don't want to shell that open external. Don't wanna shell external. Wanna show it in a pop-up. Okay, I guess we could do it like this. I don't know if this would fully work, but yeah. Okay, cool. So we have a connect button. I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna just press connect. And okay, we got this thing. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like I'm already connected. Um, hmm. Yeah. There has to be some way where I don't know if it's like you inspect the. Oh, cool. I got that. But I think you'd have to check for elements. Like I don't know how else you'd do it. Like you could check if this all with like. Mm, yeah, you could check if this thing exists, and that's how you know sort of to connect or not. I don't know. Or that's how you know that the connecting is sort of done. And you can do this for all sorts of webs. You can do this for every website where it's like you have some sort of listener to show that okay, it's done. Um, hmm. But then I also have to store. So then the question becomes, right? I have to also store sort of if it's connected. But actually, what I could sort of a way to handle this is so the way I'm thinking about it is obviously on first, um, you have this connect button. So you connect your accounts one by one, and then this pop-up window opens. And when it opens, you just press like connect, and you sign in whatever, and then I guess there's a script. I don't want to make a new script. We honestly might have to. Hmm, I don't know. This is very scuffed. But there also has to be a boolean in the JSON. It's like, oh, does this need connection? Because like iMessage does not need any connection. Like, yeah. But all these other ones do. So there has to be. I think the boolean should be true, but then you set it to false. So like, I don't have to put in all the JSON. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna get a sheet of paper and write this out. Paper always helps for data structure stuff. Let me find some. Yeah, this is how I make my to-do lists, by the way, for Surfer. No, literally. Oh yeah, on this one it was like apply to YC. Yeah, I did that. Integration, switching platforms. Yeah, I've actually done most of this. Kind of cool. This was like a few weeks ago too, so I should have done most of this. But all right, auth or flow for connecting websites. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, so the flow is like press connect, pop up, opens, and then after sign in, pop up closes, and export button shows or something. Yeah, I think the UX of this is very important because like what I want to show first is like it should be connect on all of these. So I think the way I'll do it is like after they actually sign in and pop, so like basically after connection is confirmed, right? So confirmed. So after connection is confirmed, then you what we want to do is we want to create all the folders for that. And basically what we'll do is if the folders don't exist, where it's like I can show y'all here, but if I go to Surfer data, if like for example, the Google folder does not exist, right? Or actually no, if the YouTube folder does not exist, then we want to show that connect button. So it's like, I think we'll have to have an IPC that's like, when a run starts, we're checking if the folder, I don't know. Ugh, this is low-key annoying. This is actually very annoying to deal with. But the reason to do this is like, if I go to Notion, right? Actually no, I'm gonna go to export, and let's say I show up here. I don't even know if I might be signed in actually. Alright, bro. I'm gonna log out. Yeah, just to show this. But if I go to export here, if I go like, oh yeah, see, it knows that I'm not signed in, which is good. Bro at AOL.com. Wait, what? Okay, that's kind of crazy. I don't know what bro at AOL.com did, but I'm gonna say Sahil Lalani at AOL.com. Bro, what? Okay, I think it's the AOL thing. Okay, what? This is kind of crazy. I would say y'all see this, but there's 0 viewers on this thing, so I'm literally just talking to myself. But bro, this is actually kind of wild. Um, Sahil Lalani at hotmail.com. Bro, if this is banned, I don't know what to. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's totally my thing, bro. Okay, well, the example that wasn't working with my friend was ChatGPT. So we went here, went to export. I'm gonna say login. Sahilani at AOL.com. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. So we're getting this weird navigation error. So it's like, I didn't even know that was a thing. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's just a ChatGPT thing, but it's like Google will work fine. Yeah, Google will work fine. Actually, no, it won't. Okay, now it will. If I go like continue with the app, I'm actually very, very curious. Yeah, see, it's just gonna. I don't know why, but it's just running the script again. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. I'm very confused on how to handle this, or if it's like even worth trying to handle, or you just. I know you definitely need to handle it, but like if I go to LinkedIn, I should be signed in automatically. I'm gonna sign out of this actually. How do I sign out of LinkedIn? I can't even tell. Dang, they just make it so hard for you. I'm gonna make. Oh, okay, right here. Sign out. Okay, if I go like sign into email, right? Or sign in using it. Okay, this is gonna be very annoying. Ooh, what is this? Alright. I'm gonna say Sahil at hotmail.com. Random password. Uh, okay, well, I'm not gonna get that. But like, TLDR, we need to handle connect somehow. Mm -hmm. So I think yeah, I like the platform or checking of the platform folder, see if that exists, and then going from there. I like that idea because it's not really too complicated. Um, it makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna do. I think I also need to attach some sort of script here. But yeah, that will be done later. Right now, what I want to do is I want to yeah, so I'm gonna go to main.ts. This is where we're handling all the scrapers. Get scrape. I think yeah, it's this one. And yeah, this is all this data structure will just keep getting longer and longer. It's yeah. But because we got company and name, we can essentially check if these folders exist. And so that's how we can figure out if user needs to be connected or not. Um, what was I gonna do? Yeah. Um, needs connection. It'll be that, or else it'll be default false. Yeah, so this is default. Actually, no, default is true. Okay, connect URL would just be null. So I think we go to iMessage.json, we go needs connection is actually false here. I cannot type. Okay, perfect. But now we're gonna go to youtube.json. We're gonna say I'm gonna go with camel case style. Alright, we need that. That's good. Bro, cursor is actually being dumb. Yeah, I'm gonna go to data extraction table. Um, and yeah, so I think the way we handle, I'm gonna just keep this connect, but I'm gonna say platform dot yeah, okay, and then it's gonna be like if platform dot needs connection, yeah. So like now this should show up for everything except iMessage, the connect thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go back here. Oh, well, it's still showing up. So, iMessage.json, we did set it to false. Yeah. Okay, so actually, I tried doing this with like, oh, that, what the heck is that? With Gmail. So it's just gonna restart. You guys can enjoy this beautiful background for a second. I think I did this wrong actually. Wait, no. If metadata and so if we go to iMessage, that needs connection is false. So metadata and that exists, yep. And if it exists, then metadata dot needs connection is true. I think I print out scrapers somewhere so I can really test if sort of where this is messing up. Yeah, I think we should be able to see it here. But if we go here, if we even if we go to iMess, okay. So for some reason, okay. But if I go to YouTube, if I connect YouTube, then I'm gonna actually go to YouTube. But yeah, I don't know why it's being very annoying with this, but I'm gonna go back here, get scrapers. Your iMessage. Why is iMessage.json needs connection true in at data? Note to self: when you don't want to think about something, you just outsource it to AI. It explicitly metadata and what? Okay, I guess I'll do this. Okay, let's see if this worked. Okay, cool, it worked. Um, Okay, cool. Now we're gonna do is mm, hmm, I mean, we do have to add connect URL for all of them. But I think there has to be some sort of script that's. See, I don't want to do it in WebView, but it's like, I don't know. Yeah. Hmm. I think we will have to attach some sort of script. If I go to main.ts, if I go to connect, yeah. Could I attach pop-up window dot? Look at all these methods. It's kind of crazy, actually. Actually, I do want to try something. So if I go, if I'm not sort of signed into Google, then what happens? I'm gonna go to, okay, buddy, sign out. Alright, if I go again here, bring this over. Oh, that looks old as heck. But yeah, I don't know how it's gonna respect pop-ups, right? Yeah. But connect URL is different for everything. For Notion, for example, it's slash login. So if I go to notion.json, actually I'm gonna play around with this, but connect URL would be notion.so. And if we go to Notion, okay, so we're in here. If I go like to connect, continue with Apple. So I guess just trying to do everything in the same window, which is kind of cool. I mean, I don't know how well that works. That's the thing. But yeah, I go continue with Google. Okay, so it's allowing pop-ups there. So that is interesting. If I go with like single sign, okay, whatever. Yeah, let's just do this for all of them. Yeah, so I go to Gmail. Actually, Gmail is the interesting one. If I go to, I don't know if mail.google.com will work necessarily. I don't know if it'll take us where we need to go. Alright, well, I'm signed in, so I think it might just take us back to that screen. I'm just gonna be. Okay, well, if I go here to connect, okay, I mean, I guess that works. I think for what the heck? Okay, calendar.json. I'm gonna say connect URL. Perfect. Um, and yeah, so next one we'll go chatgpt.json. And I don't know if this is necessarily the connect URL, but log in. Actually, if let me see something. Sign out here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go here, continue with Google. Yeah, okay. So that's working. Twitter would, I think Twitter bookmarks would, both are the same. If I go connect here, I think I might be signed in right now. Yeah. Sign out. If I go here, connect. Yeah, so it's all popping up, so that's looks good. Now we just have to attach some sort of script. So I'm wondering if I can I do a, oh, okay. What the pop, okay, there isn't anything for that. Let's see how to preload web view here. If I go here. Hmm. Web content's not on. I don't know. I guess we'll error somehow, but see. Okay, it did not error, but it could have said something here. Hmm. So it looks like we can do all these different things. Kind of cool. Execute JavaScript. Let's just see console.log. Um, dot inner text. See what that does. Oh, okay, so it's console logging directly in here. It's kind of cool. Add listener. Print PDF looks interesting. Um, yeah, I don't know. If there's a way within the script itself, right, and still attach, yeah, where I can still attach all this stuff. I do wonder if the preload web views, like, can I execute stuff? And the way I'm gonna test that is when we do sort of the way runs happen. Let's see, that has to do with the web view tags. I don't know. Um, I can't just do a listener handle navigate because that doesn't mean the user is signed in. So I have to sort of add some sort of listener that's like checking if a certain element exists. Like for yeah, for YouTube, if like that image avatar thing exists, then we close it. Um, I mean, one way to do it is by attaching a so going back into the JSONs and then adding an element like a selector, and all we do is in main.ts. We go here and we do pop up window dot add listener. Um, wanna check if certain element exists and then take action accordingly. Exists within the URL page after it's yeah. Okay. Yeah, I like this idea. I don't know why you want the preload one, but in this case, we're gonna do the image. Yeah, just the image. Yeah, we'll just console log it here. I do wonder if it actually returns, but yeah. Oh, okay, that's interesting. That is very interesting. So if we just get a selector for everything that definitely shows up after everything logs in, then we know that the element exists. And after we know that, then the user can just export everything. So that makes it way easier. And um, ensures that I don't have to attach a new script, and we can still have all that checking if the user's logged in or not. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Um, and the cool thing is, like if you're building off of Surfer, like for YouTube, it would be. Let me just find the selector. Give me 2 seconds. I mean, these selectors wouldn't necessarily be the same all the time, but yeah, it would be image with an alt of avatar. So like if I go here, like uh uh connect select or connect selector, and then in this case it would just be it would be an image with alt would be yeah like this, exactly like this. And then what we would do is in get scrapers. Okay, wait, this might actually work. Like, as crazy as it sounds, this might work. I'm not being totally delusional, but this actually might work. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna, gosh, connect, yeah, just like this. And then what we're gonna do is data extraction table. When we're doing, I think it's connect, yeah, platform dot connect selector. We're gonna send both of these, and then we're gonna go connect I think it's that one, yeah. URL selector, and then, yeah. Yeah, that's really it, actually. I think we just, like, folder, and then else, um, console.log, element, element not found, debug. Okay, so, like, what should happen is this should work for YouTube. We should be able to connect, or actually, we shouldn't be able to connect. What we should do is sign, oh, actually don't know. I will have to while loop this and check every. Yeah, so this isn't gonna work. So actually, let me sign out, and I'm just gonna do like while true, and I'm gonna do a set timeout of every, let's do, I wanna, yeah, let's just do every 500. Okay, so this should be, yeah, so this should open it up and then check every 500 milliseconds if we've logged in or not. And that way it's not gonna fry my CPU. Okay, cool. So here. Okay, so it does not look like script. Okay, so uncaught error. Oh, okay. Well, I think it got cooked. I'm gonna npm start this and then, oh crap. Yeah, I'm gonna go here, Control K, error element has already been. Actually, sometimes you gotta use your brain a little instead of just relying on cursor. But yeah, let's see if this works. I think it's the same error actually. Yeah. Huh. Has already been declared error. Um. Okay, that did not work. Actually, here's how I'll do it. If actually no, we'll do this. Let element. I feel like it's still gonna give this error when we just check it anyway. Oh. I don't know what this double negative thing means. Maybe it's like a way of returning stuff. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah. Oh, what the? Error identifier element has already declared. Huh. Okay. I mean, if that works, then it works. Does not look like it worked. Element not found. Debug. So, oh, I did not save it. Slight error. Slight error. Very slight. Should find this. And no, it is not finding it. I guess we're getting an error. Oh. Okay. Uh, it looks like we closed everything. Look at this. I don't know why it's being weird. Okay. I don't know why you would. I want to go the good old fashioned way. No. Template literal? What? I don't even know what that means, but okay. Actually, yeah, let's check youtube.json. Looks fine. That's a lot of while. Oh, object has. I mean, yeah, it's fine. You want to destroy the object, so it's like, yeah, bro. Oh, what the? Closing pop up. Okay, that's good. Hmm. Object has been destroyed. I think it's this. We just break. What if we just destroy here? Okay. I mean, the error might be happening. This is okay error. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I think this method might actually work. And yeah, I think I'll have to do another stream just to iron this out and do a little more testing. But I think it's definitely way more reliable than the old method of doing things. Yeah. So I close the pop-up. Uh, After we need to. Okay. That's one way to do it, I guess. And if we just don't get this error, that's pretty solid actually. I'm gonna have to end the stream after this, but okay, let's see if that worked. Cool. We get an error. No. So we handled that cleanly. Let's just make sure it worked because I wanna. Okay. Now it's not gonna let me sign out. So I'm gonna let me go to good old export. Sign out. Perfect. Go here, connect. I should be signed out. And yeah, so we're not getting anything. Go here, go here, go here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna sign in. Cool. So I think what I want to do is after they connect, then it just automatically goes to export. That's very easy to do. That's just one IPC call away. Um, but yeah, super hype. Came with a new way to handle auth, and I think it should be way better. Just to make the user experience 10 times better. Doing it in a pop-up instead of all within the same thing. And yeah, I don't know and watch this, but I guess